To connect the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro into your TV, first of all, you have to make sure that you input both of them inside the charging case, left and the right one, and that you have opened that plastic transparent cover. Now, on the back, you can find this pairing button, so we are gonna use it. Take a look. We have to click and hold this button and wait until this indicator on the front starts blinking with a red, green, and the blue. Now we can release, and on your TV, what you have to do, just open the settings on your TV and you will have to go for all settings. That's basically how it looks in the LG TV. And I have to go for a sound settings, but on some other TVs, you will have to open the connection settings. So it actually depends. But for me, I have to go for sound out device. I can find the Bluetooth over here. So I have to go for it and open the list of all available devices, and now from available devices list I have to select my Buds 4 Pro by using my remote controller, and now I have to just wait and take a look. I'm successfully connected.